Welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. It is December 12th and we've got packages. So today we're going to be wrapping some gifts. Sorry, the dog was like at my feet. I have to run out to go take my son's belt and knife to him. He asked me if I was going out anywhere, if I would take it to him. And honestly, I didn't have to go out, but I don't have to actually go out anywhere until later. So my meeting this morning was canceled. So I am going to hurry up and run these over to the feed store so he can have them because I know they're important for him when he's working. And I'm going to bring my packages inside and we're going to get cleaned up today because people are starting to feel a little bit better. Still a little bit worn down, but better for the most part, which means we need to clean up, get the house tidied, get it all Lysol down, air it out, and smelling fresh again. And finally get back to doing some things that are normal. Well, as normal as you can get for us, so. Back to doing normal things. The boys are back to their daily chores. Wow. That bird just slammed into that. What a dummy. Oh. I couldn't stop laughing and coughing at that stupid turkey. All right. There goes the little Muscovies. Time to put them out there where they belong. They spend evenings in our barn in that bin because it's warmer in there and we can close it off and they're safe in there. So, gotta get a little bit of drinks of water and come on. Come on. Man, this grass, it is so pretty. It is just gorgeous. I can't get over how bright it is. It's like no filter at all. You don't need a filter. It's just so pretty. So everybody's feeling so much better today. I've even got a helper out here. I know you don't usually recognize him without a shirt, but rest assured there's no shirt under there. It's just the jacket. It's only 60 degrees outside today, so I think it was actually like 63, so it's not too bad, but he's chilly, so he's covered. He's gonna walk these Muscovies in to their day area where they hang out in the garden, and yeah, he's gonna help me. It's nice because we have a bunch of helpers out here today. Everybody's starting to feel a lot better than they did. Some of them still have a lot of coughing. And I think a couple of them have a little bit more temper than normal because I heard some screaming out there that was a little extra. But this kind of stuff just makes you happy to see, doesn't it? I mean, look how happy they are. They're just happy living their best life. They love it. So when I was moving some boxes around, we noticed that under some of these boxes that have been laying here for a while, in the moisture and in the dirt and stuff, we started finding some new stuff. Let me show you what we found. That's cool. Maybe we could close this up for a little bit. Maybe we can start a worm bin. Close it up and let's see if we can.
I gotta get this baby back in.
All right, put it back in there.
It hopped on my finger.
All right, we're gonna close it back up. And maybe we'll come back out and use that cardboard and start ourselves a worm bin. What do you think?
Yeah.
We can do a little research. No, worms like cardboard. They need cardboard, I think.
So you put some cardboard in a bucket.
So we do like cardboard and you put like food scraps in there. Titus just killed our worms, I think. Titus,
get up.
you literally just came and sat on the exact corner where those worms are. Check on them quick. See if they survive Titus's hiney. Lift up the other layer. Lift up all the layers. No, it's underneath of those layers. Are they there?
They're alive.
Okay, good. They survived. All right. Good. Poor Titus. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. We got lots of cardboard, that's for sure, if we want to start a whole bunch of worm bins. You don't think Dad would like that? No, worms are great for your garden. So that's actually a good thing. He would be very happy. Oh yeah, that looks good, buddy.
This looks even better.
Yummy cheese coming out. And he's shirtless again. How much George, you want me to cut it? It's a delish.
Mom, the cheese?
Delicious cheese.
It's sticky cheese.
Yeah, you're gonna give yourself a heat seizure. It's so hot.
Oh, it's good.
Time to make myself one of my favorites, which is grilled cheese and egg. I love it. I'm gonna make that for myself. Grilled cheese and egg, right there. So yummy. That's gonna be my lunch for sure. Now it's time for me to enjoy my sandwich. Egg and cheese. So good. Very excited about eating something because I'm hungry. Had a little bit to drink. It's now, I think it's after, yeah, it's like 1:15. So I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna clean up in this kitchen because I made a mess on the counter. So.
This one right here. Right here. Right here. This is exactly why.
So I'm on the floor wrapping gifts and the kids are helping me over here and this is great, but look what I've got right here over my shoulder. What are you doing? You. Bethany and Joy. What's happening? Why are you hiding? And they're crazy. It's craziness. So I'm doing wrapping here. We've got some wrappers helping here and this is what I have now. How many pieces of tape do you have on your skin?
I do not know.
Yeah, he's being the tape guy for me. Great. But I've got some presents being wrapped, so that's a good thing. So I am back home. I went out and grabbed some Domino's pizza because, well, it's been one of those days. We were busy today. We were able to get swept up and cleaned up. I was able to get a bunch of presents under the tree. I'm super excited. And I think that I might be making some cookies here in a few minutes. So I don't think this video is over yet. We're gonna make some cookies. We were able to get, let's see, we were able to get all these all these presents under the tree. Got some big presents wrapped. A bunch of presents under there. And the dogs are very excited. We were able to get vacuumed and swept in here and like normal things that we need to do. I'm gonna work on dipping some chocolates tonight, maybe. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do anyway, I think I'm gonna make some cookies because I think it's cookie night. Yeah, so I decided tonight is a cookie night. Cookies. So, cookies are getting ready to go on the tray. It's the first time I've made chocolate chip cookies or any kind of cookies this entire holiday season. So I am very excited to be able to have some cookies to put in the oven and to enjoy with the kids tonight. And football may be on the TV right now, but it's gonna be off in a few minutes and we're gonna be sitting down, eating some cookies, watching a Hallmark movie or some other Christmas movie. Because that's what Christmas is all about. Not really, guys. It's about Jesus, actually. But we really like our Christmas movies, so yeah. Cookies in the oven. Gotta go. Okay, so I called cookies and they came running. So these two came in and they are trying the cookies. Cookies are good, yes?
Yes.
And they'd be better with milk.
Yes.
So on that note, we're gonna get some milk for our cookies, and I'm gonna call this a night. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 12. It is Monday, the start of a new week, and you know what? I feel like a new person, a little bit of energy and things ready to go, finally able to get back to normal and enjoy this holiday season without being sick. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you guys will come back another day, and hopefully you enjoyed this day. And we have new videos coming out. Don't forget to keep watching, because we have shorts that are dropping and regular videos, not just this vlog stuff, because this is not our normal thing. I'm only going to be doing this up until Christmas. So thanks again. Check out the playlist of all the other things, and thanks again for subscribing and watching and just being a part of our channel. This has been such a fun adventure so far. Even being sick, it's been fun to do Vlogmas. Hey, who likes to end the night with some holiday cookies? Farmers' wives do. Farmers' wives do. I'm going to hurry up before it comes in. Eat some cookies. Cookies. Come here, you can take one. I'll give it to you.
You gonna feed me?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Farmers do. And farmers' wives do. Bye.
Bye.